Hello guys, Valor Reviews here. Now in this video, I'll be sharing 12 tips and tricks that you can use to have a better user experience and improve your productivity if you're on the Technopova. Also, if you're on the fence and you're not quite sure if you want the Technopova, this video should help you out. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is regarding the battery. The Technopova comes with a 6000 mAh battery, and when I tested it out during my drain test, it did 16 hours screen on time, which is impressive. Now to make the battery last for years, and I mean 3 to 4 years, don't charge your smartphone to 100%. Keeping the battery level at 80% is good for the lithium battery inside your smartphone. Also, if you can, don't allow your battery level to go below 10%. Scheduling power on and off is a good idea, and to do this on the Technopova, go to the settings, type schedule, and you should see the schedule power on and off menu. Click on it and set it to the time that suits you. The second tip is all about improving the user experience, and it involves disabling zero screen. Zero screen shows you recent applications you have accessed, wallpapers and other information, but it can get really annoying, especially when you want a clean minimalistic home screen. Now to disable zero screen, press down on a free part of the home screen. At the bottom, click on display settings, click on other settings and turn off zero screen. Also, if you're not a fan of these instant apps in the app drawer, to turn it off, press down a free part of the home screen, click on desktop settings, click on other settings and disable instant apps. Alternatively, you can install Nova Launcher and customize the home screen and app drawer to look like stock Android. I highly recommend you do that. If you want to disable ads on your smartphone, my good buddy Iziboye and Fred SecHub made a video on how to go about that. Links to their videos will be in the description. Now the Technopova is a tall smartphone. It comes with a 6.8-inch display, and reaching the volume keys with one hand can be tricky. To make it easier to control the volume, you can use the Smart Panel. By default, this isn't activated. To enable it, go to Settings, go to Smart Assistant, click on the Smart Panel and enable the Virtual Volume slider. From the Smart Panel, you can also rearrange the tools and applications you use frequently, so if you need any of them, they are just a slide away. If you click on Smart Assistant, you will find Micro Intelligence. Under Micro Intelligence, there are a lot of interesting gestures and shortcuts. Quick Start allows you to trace gesture on your smartphone when it's turned off to activate an application. For example, Tracing C activates the camera. You have the option to assign more apps that you can launch using gestures. Under Micro Intelligence, you should also activate the Take Screenshot with 3 fingers. Raise to ear is another cool feature. If you have a phone call, placing the phone on your ear would answer the call. The harassment filter allows you to block calls and SMS. To add a number, click on the blacklist, hit that plus button and enter the phone number. Cast allows you to share your smartphone display to a compatible laptop or TV, and it's easy to set up. Go to the settings, search for Cast, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and enable wireless display. Select the available display you want to share your smartphone screen and audio to, and that's it. It's as simple as ABC. Now you can make presentations, play games or stream a movie or watch YouTube on a bigger display. App Lock allows you to lock applications, say for example your photo gallery or WhatsApp, if you don't want a third party to read your messages. To activate, go to the settings, search for App Lock, click on App Lock and select the application you want to lock. Game Mode is another interesting feature. It allows you to do a lot of things like check WhatsApp messages without exiting the game. You can also launch the Chrome browser, take a screenshot, record your gameplay, but one of my favorite features of the Game Mode is Magic Button. What it does is it allows you to map the volume up and down button. On Call of Duty, I have it set to shoot. And finally, the last tip is Social Turbo. It allows you to record WhatsApp voice calls, enhance your appearance by making your skin smoother and brighter in WhatsApp video calls. You can also create stickers, and most importantly for me, you can read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing, thanks to Peak Mode. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you like content like this, and I'll see you guys very soon. Valor signing out.